In this video we're reviewing JEFIT, a popular workout tracking app designed for people who love lifting and want to log every rep, set, and workout detail. It promises better progress tracking and customizable routines, but is it really worth using? Let's break it down. JEFIT gives you access to 300+ exercises, with demos and pre-built routines for all fitness levels. You can track reps, sets, weights, and progress over time, making it great for data-driven gym goers. The free version already covers most essentials, and there's a social side too. You can share routines and find motivation from other users. However, beginners may find it overwhelming since it lacks step-by-step guidance or structured coaching. Some users mention sync issues, slow navigation, and limited smartwatch integration. The free version includes ads, and advanced analytics or deeper stats require a paid elite subscription. It also isn't ideal for cardio or yoga-focused users. Overall, JEFIT is excellent for strength trainers who want control and detailed tracking, but not for complete beginners or those who prefer guided workouts. Subscribe for more honest fitness app reviews and smarter workout insights.